Aircraft registration number Uniform India, please advise when brakes are set and the aircraft is prepared for spraying.
Brakes are set, aircraft prepared for spraying.
Passengers will no longer accept bad weather as an excuse for disruption. We have to make the winter as efficient as the summer.
Technology that we bring is a forced air technology. In essence, it's compressed air that's used to remove contaminants. It's also used to augment the fluid application process. For example, the air helps spread the fluid out to give it a more even coat, a more efficient coat.
These JVT rigs are very, very efficient, state-of-the-art technology.
We can use a combination of any of the nozzles in any type of configuration based on the weather and the contaminants that we're dealing with.
Quite a lot of the usage today is on a pay per spray model. That has some real problems for us because there is a real temptation to overspray.
You use less fluid, which means there's less fluid that drips off onto the tarmac. So environmentally wise, it's a major step forward. We've been working with IDS for over 15 months now. We've developed a great partnership. We understand each other.
Safety is number one. With that, the process always starts with communication with the flight crew. Make sure that the aircraft is configured, brakes are set, we're ready to move in on the aircraft.
Any de-icing company can buy these very sophisticated de-icing rigs, but one thing with IDS, they build in their processes and procedures, safe practices. They also carry it out the same way every time.
There are two main benefits for the flight crew community, and that's a more efficient de-icing process and the ability to leave on time.
We're going to have much more control and certainty over our cost base. It means that I can look out of my window in Luton and know that our on-time performance is going to be maintained, and also that at the end of the season I can look back to our numbers and know that we're going to have some real knowledge, some real control, some comfort over our cost base, and what we budgeted for at the start of the year with a reasonable degree of certainty is what we're going to have as an outturn at the end of the year.
De-icing complete.